Mobile customer acquisition package is designed by Moodmobi that helps local businesses to get more customers. It includes following. Number 1. Custom design mobile site that will let you take advantage of mobile traffic that's currently happen online when someone searches for local business. And let me show you example what is the percentage right now. So now for this specific search term, nail salons that are searched on Google AdWords, anyone know Google, there are statistics. Statistics shows that 61.3% of mobile and tablet combined traffic comes and searches for nail salons that's based in Ireland. So you can see it's already taken over. Mobile traffic already taken over computer traffic. That's why you need really slick design mobile site. But now let me move to number 2. 2. Responsive design website, full-blown website, similar like this one. If you come down there, you can see customer acquisition demo site. If you click on that, you can see live demo. For this instance, this is made for plumbers, for a local plumber, where you coming down and has again all the call to action elements that you need in order to generate new calls, leads, and automatically increase your business. And let me mention, if you don't have a website at all, don't worry, because now you will have. This is part of the deal, part of the package that sells professionally your services. So let me move to number 3. Number 3, QR codes that you will be able to use in your local marketing activities. Stay tuned for number 4 so you will know how to use them. Number 4 is a free report on how to use QR codes to market your business. It's only 3 pages long, but it will give you very good insight so you understand and you can start leverage the power of QR codes and mobiles around you. Number 5 is mobile redirect script that you will be able to implement in your main site. So it takes all the mobile visits back to your mobile customer acquisition site. Therefore will generate more calls, more visits and more leads, and therefore increases your bottom line of revenue. Number 6, a free listing on Top 4 Business mobile business directory, where you will be able again to gain extra exposure and get extra traffic back to your site. And finally, monthly report will be emailed to you every month so you can see what is your return of investment. You will be able to track how many map clicks are there, how many form submissions, how many calls, how many visits, and how many of these visits are the unique visits. So that's all included in a customer mobile acquisition package. Finally, very important, the price. We made this so affordable that any startup, any small business can afford. It will cost only €50 a month. So for €50 a month you will have everything that you see in a package. You will be instantly able to make more than 50 back on the first month. So I'm positive that once you will have this package, you will keep it for lifetime. Or if you don't want to spend €50, there is a chance for you to save €20 in less than 60 seconds by sharing a simple post on a Facebook wall. More about the sharing you will find in this video below. So once you go ahead, once you subscribe, your package will be delivered by email to you within 5 working days. So thank you so much and we're really looking forward to make you succeed.